So now exercise 8.2 differentials. So now I consider the function y equal to f of x. So df equal to, that means f dash of x dx, or otherwise dy equal to f dash of x into dx. Next del f means f of x plus del x minus f of x. This is the formula for del f equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x. So now we discuss about the exercise 8.2. Now we start about the exercise 8.2. First problem, find the differential dy for each of the following functions. Subdivision 1, y equal to 1 minus 2x whole power 3 by 3 minus 4x. This is a given function. So from this we find out the differential dy. So this is a y. So now I calculate the dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dy by dx equal to, there is a u by v, there is a function u by v. So I apply the u by v formula. Therefore first I square the denominator. So 3 minus 4x whole square, I write it the denominator 3 minus 4x, and then next differentiate the numerator. So differentiation of numerator is 3 into, that means I represented 1 minus 2x whole cube whole dash minus, next I write it the numerator 1 minus 2x whole cube, differentiate the denominator 3 minus 4x whole dash. The next step I write it 3 minus 4x into differentiation of 1 minus 2x whole cube is, first I differentiate the power. So 3 into 1 minus 2x, 3 minus 1 is 2 whole square. Next I differentiate the differentiation of basis. Differentiation of 1 is 0. 0 minus 2 into differentiation of 1 x is 1. So minus 2 minus, next I write it the 1 minus 2x whole cube. Next I differentiate the 3 minus 4x. Differentiation of 3 is 0 minus 4 into differentiation of x is 1. So minus 4. Therefore I write the denominator 3 minus 4x whole square. So in the next step now I take the common factor from this term. The common factor is here, that means 1 minus 2x whole square is common factor. So I take from the numerator. So 1 minus 2x square into the remaining term is minus 6 into 3 minus 4x, and the next minus into minus plus 1 minus 2x whole square I take from this term. So remaining term is 4 into 1 minus 2x by 3 minus 4x whole square. The next step I write it 1 minus 2x whole square. Now I multiply the minus 6 in the factor. So minus 6 into 3 minus 18, minus into minus plus 24x, plus 4 into 1 plus 4 minus 8, 4 2s are 8. So that means I write minus 8x by 3 minus 4x whole square. So the next step, dy by dx equal to, that means 1 minus 2x whole square. I add the term, I got the answer 16x. I got the terms 16x minus 14 by 3 minus 4x whole square. So next step, 1 minus 2x whole square into 16 minus 4x into 3 minus 4x whole square. I just cross multiply the dx into dx. In the next step, dy equal to, that means here 2 is a common, so I take 2 from this term. So 2 into 8x minus 7. So 2 into 1 minus 2x whole square, 8x minus 7 by 3 minus 4x whole square into dx. This is the dy answer. They ask about the differentials of y, that means they ask about the dy. We found the answer. Next, second subdivisions, y equal to 3 plus sine 2x power 2 by 3. So now I differentiate the power, that means differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, differentiation of power is 2 by 3 into 3 plus sine 2x into 2 by 3 minus 1. Next I differentiate the base. Differentiation of 3 is 0 plus differentiation of sine 2x is cos 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2. So in the next step I write it, that means I write 2 into 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 3 plus sine 2x, I just cross multiply in the power. 2 by 3 means 3 into 1 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 by 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 3 cos 2x. So in the next step I write, that means this is a dy by dx. So therefore dy equal to, that means 4 cos 2x, just I write it, that means 4 cos 2x, this power minus 1 by 3. So I write it in the denominator. So 3 into 3 plus sine 2x whole power 1 by 3. So therefore dy equal to 4 cos 2x by 3 into 3 plus sin 2x whole power 1 by 3 into dx. This is the answer for differentials dy. Next, third subdivision, y equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 cos of x square minus 1. So differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to, there is a 2 factor. So first I write it the first factor, e power x square minus 5x plus 7. Next I differentiate the cos of x square minus 1. Differentiation of cos is minus sign of x square minus 1. Next I differentiate the x square minus 1, 2x. Plus next I write the cos of x square minus 1. Next I differentiate the e exponential, so I write it as it is, e power x square minus 5x plus 7. Next I differentiate the power, so differentiation of power is x square, differentiation of x square is 2x minus 5 into differentiation of x is 1, so 2x minus 5. The next step I write it, e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into, now I multiply the minus into 2x minus 2x into sin x square minus 1 plus 2x minus 5 into, that means the cos of x square minus 1. So into e power x square minus 5x plus 7. Now you see the exponential is common factor, so I take the e power x square minus 5x plus 7 from these two terms. Therefore e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into, the remaining terms are minus 2x into sin x square minus 1 plus 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into, that means I write it 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1 minus 2x sin of x square minus 1. Therefore dy equal to, just doing the cross multiplication, so the dy equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into 2x minus 5 cos of x square minus 1 minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1 into dx. This is the dy answer. So you see, third problem, find del f and df for the function f for the indicated value of x, del x del x, and compare subdivision 1, f of x equal to x cube minus 2x square, x equal to 2, del x equal to dx equal to 0.5. So you see, find del f and df for the function f for the indicated value of x, del x, and compare. So they ask about we calculate del f and df for the given functions. So our given function is f of x equal to x cube minus 2x square and x equal to 2 and del x equal to dx equal to 0.5. So this is the given functions. Now differentiate with respect to x. So f dash of x equal to, that means I differentiate the x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x. So the next step, f dash of x I write df by dx equal to 3x square minus 2 into 2 minus 4x. So therefore next step I do just doing the cross multiplication, df equal to 3x square minus 4x into dx. So in the next step df equal to, that means now I substitute x equal to 2, so 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2, so into 0.5. Next 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 4 2s are 8 into 0.5. So df equal to 2.0. That means 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 into 0.5 is 2.0. So del f equal to f of x plus del, this is the formula for del f. Del f equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x. So here f of x value is 2 plus del x value is here 0.5, I substitute, minus f of 2 equal to f of 2.5 minus f of 2. F of 2.5 is I just substitute in the function, that means 2.5 I write in the 5 by 2, f of 5 by 2 minus f of 2. So f of 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 whole cube minus 2 into 5 by 2 whole square. So 5 by 2 whole cube minus 2 into 5 by 2 whole square minus f of 2 means 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square. So in the next step minus of, we write it minus of, here one bracket will come. Okay, so in the next step 5 cube is 125, 2 cube is 8 by 8 minus 2 into 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. So So 25 by 8 minus 2 by 24. So next 2 cube minus of this minus of here one bracket will come. So we multiply the minus this factor minus of 2 cube minus into minus plus 2 cube. So the plus 2 cube minus 2 cube cancelled. So we got the answer 125 by 8 minus 2 into 5 25 by 4. So in the next step 125 by 8 minus 50 by 4. So just I take the LCM in the denominator 8. So there is a LCM is 8. So I take the numerator term 125. Here you see the second term, the denominator is a 4. So we convert it into 8. So we multiply and divide by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 100 by 8. 100 by 8 means so LCM is 8. So we add the numerator minus 100. 125 by minus 100. 125 by minus 100 is 25. Therefore del F equal to 25 by 8. Therefore 25 by 8 and the answer is 3.125. This is the del F answer. Del F equal to 3.125. Next second subdivisions, f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 and x equal to minus 0.5, del x dx equal to 0.1. Now from this we calculate the del f and df. So now I differentiate with respect to x. So df by dx equal to I differentiate the x square 2x plus differentiation of 2x is 2 into differentiation of x is 1. So the next step df equal to I just doing the cross multiplication 2x plus 2 into dx. So therefore now I substitute x values in here. 2 into the x value is minus 0.5. 2 into minus 0.5 plus 2 into the dx value is 0.1. So therefore 2 into minus 0.5 is minus 1. 2 and the next plus 2 into 0.1. Therefore df equal to we add this minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 into 0.1 0.1. Therefore df equal to 0.1. Next I will calculate the del f. The del f formula is this one. That means del f equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x. This is the formula for del f. Now I substitute f of x value is minus 0.5. I substitute plus del x value is 0.1 minus f of x value is f of minus 0.5. Therefore I add that minus 0.5 plus 0.1 is minus f of minus 0.4. Next minus f of minus 0.5. So in the next step f of x function is x square plus 2x plus 3. I substitute. So that means minus 0.4 whole square plus 2 into minus 0.4 plus 3 minus f of minus 0.5 means minus 0.5 whole square plus 2 into minus 0.5 plus 3. Therefore minus 0.4 whole square means 0.16. And next multiply 2 into minus 0.4 is minus 0.8 plus next plus 3 minus next minus 0.5 whole square is 0.25. 2 into minus 0.5 is minus 1 plus 3. Now we add the numbers 0.16 minus 0.8 plus 3. The answer is 3.16 minus 0.25 minus 1 plus 3. Answer is 0.8. Therefore we subtract this number. Therefore that means here 3.16. that means here write it we write it 3.16. that means we add 0.16 into plus 3.16 write minus 0.8. next we add that means minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. So 2 plus 0.25 is 2.25. so in the next step so we add all the numbers, we get the answer del f equal to 0.11. This is the answer. Next fourth problem, assuming log e equal to 0.4343, find an approximate value of log 10 1.1003. So you see let y equal to f of x equal to log x. So now I take that log x equal to y. So f of 1000 equal to here log e equal to 0.4343. Find an approximate value for log of 1000 1.33. So I take f of 1000 equal to log of 1000 equal to, that means 1000 I write it 10 cube. So I write it the log of 10 into 10 power 3 is 3. So therefore y equal to log 10x. So from this I this is the function. So y equal to log x. I differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, that means 1 by, I differentiate the log 1 by x and next log 10 g. The next step, dy by dx equal to log e by x. So therefore dy by dx equal log e value is 0.4343. I substitute by 1000. Therefore dy by dx equal to, I just doing the cross multiplication, dy equal to 0.4343 by 1000 into dx value is here. So I just doing the dx. That means f of here dy, that means I just doing the 3 into 3. So that means into dx means into 3. So therefore dy equal to 0. Now this 1000 divide the 0.4343. So and the answer is 0.004343 into 3. So therefore dy equal to 0.0013029. Therefore now we calculate they ask about the find the approximate value. So approximate value is f of x plus del x, it approximately equal to y plus dy. So we know that y value, so y here y equal to 3. So I substitute 3 plus next here dx means here the dx, here I substitute dx equal to 3. Dx equal to 3 means here the x value is x, I taken the 1000 and x naught I taken the 1003. So dx equal to 1000, that means 1003 minus 1000 is del x equal to 3. Del x means dx equal to 3 and x plus del x means x is 1000, del x is 3. So 1000 plus 3 is 1003. Therefore del x equal to, now we calculated del x means 1003 minus 1000. So dx equal to 3. This is the dx answer. So I substitute here dx equal to 3. So our answer is here dy equal to 0.4343 by 1000 into 3. So in the next step I write it. Now I substitute here, this is a f of x plus del x approximately equal to y plus dy. Y value is here y equal to 3 plus dy answer. dy answer is here, that means 0.00133029. So now that means 29 I write it 0.03. So next step, log of 1003 is approximately equal to, that means we add the numbers the right hand side, therefore 3.001303. This is the answer for this problem. So next, fifth problem, the trunk of a tree has diameter 30 cm. During the following year the circumference grew up 6 cm. Approximately how much did the tree's diameter grow? What is the percentage increase in the area of the tree's cross section? See the trunk of the tree has a diameter. We know that trunk in the middle portion of the tree, in the trunk it is a, so the trunk its diameter is 30 cm. During the following year the circumference grew 6 cm. Next they ask about the questions, how much did the tree's diameter grew, that means what the increasing of the diameter they ask about. Next, what is the percentage increase in the area of the tree cross section. So now they ask about they given the diameter of the trunk. So diameter equal to, we represented the 2r equal to 30, r equal to 15. Next is circumference, they give the circumference, that means circumference equal to, that means 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into r value is 15. Circumference formula is 2 pi r, 2 pi into r value 15. So that means the answer is 30 pi. Next, increase in circumference. So they give the increase in the circumference is 6. So therefore 2 pi r2 minus 2 pi r1. So therefore equal to 6. Next here 2 pi is common, so I take from this, so 2 pi into r2 minus r1 equal to 6, therefore r2 minus r1 equal to 6 by 2 pi, therefore r2 minus r1 is del r dr equal to the 2 divided by 6, so 3 by pi. So in the next step, area equal to pi r square, differentiate with respect to r, dA by dr equal to pi into differentiate the r square, 2r, so 2 pi r, therefore just doing the cross multiplication, dA equal to 2 pi r into dr, therefore in the next step, dA equal to 2 pi into the r value is here r equal to 15, so r equal to 15 means I substitute here 15 into, that means 3 by pi, so because dr value is 3 by pi, so I substitute here 3 by pi. Next dA equal to, I just multiply 15 into 2 30, 30 into 3 is 90, so therefore pi cancelled, dA equal to 90. So next we calculate the percentage of increasing. Percentage of increasing is increasing area by actual area into 100. So we calculate the increasing area 90 by actual area is pi into, that means pi r square. So we know that r value 15 into 15. So the cancelled. So that means our answer is into 100. Our answer is 40 by pi into percentage. This is a percentage of increasing. So you see, now we discuss about the sixth problem. An egg of a particular bird is very nearly spherical if the radius to the inside of the shell is 5 mm and radius to the outside of the shell is 5.3 mm. Find the volume of shell approximately. You see, an egg of a particular bird is very nearly spherical shape. That means the egg in the shape of spherical, the radius to the inside of the shell. So the inside of the egg is 5 meter, the radius. Next radius to the outside is 5.3 millimeter. So find the volume of shell approximately. They ask about the volume of the shell. So first the radius is 5 millimeter they given. Next del r, now we calculate the del r. So del r means dr equal to 5.3, outer radius minus inner radius. Outer radius is 5.3 minus inner radius is 5, dr equal to 0.3. Next volume of the sphere, volume of, because the egg in the shape of the spherical shape, so they ask about the volume of the shell. Volume of the shell means shell in the shape of a spherical sphere, so volume of the spherical. Now volume of the sphere, B equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of the sphere. So in the next step, so B equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next I differentiate with respect to r on both sides. So dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 into pi into, I differentiate the r cube. Differentiation of r cube is 3r square. So 3 cancelled. So dV equal to 4 into pi r square dr. So volume of the shell equal to V of, that means volume of 5.3 minus, that means volume of radius r equal to 5.3, volume at the radius 5. So therefore here volume at the point 5.3 is just therefore dV equal to, this is dV equal to 4 pi r values. That means r value is here r square is 5 into 5 into the different dr value is 0.3. I substitute, therefore volume of the shell equal to, which is approximately equal to, that means 5 5s are 25 into 0.3 into 4, that means 30 pi millimeter cube. This is the volume of the shell, volume of the egg. See here, now we discuss about the seventh problem. Assume that the cross section of the artery of a human is circular. A drug is given to a patient is dilate his arteries. If the radius of one artery is increased from 2 millimeter to 2.1 millimeter, how much is the cross section area increased approximately? So that means we know that the artery of the, so the artery is they gave the, it is a circular shape, the drug is given, so the drug apply, so in the patient the dilate his arteries, so the radius of the artery is increased from 2 millimeter to 2.1 millimeter. So here r equal to, radius equal to 2 millimeter and del r equal to dr equal to 2.1 minus 2, it is a 0.1. So next area of the circle, because it is a circular shape, the artery is in the circular shape they mentioned. So area of the circle equal to because they ask about the how much is the cross sectioned area increased approximately. So area of the circle equal to A equal to pi r square. So dA by dr equal to, I differentiate the with respect to r on both the side. So dA by dr equal to pi into, that means differentiate the r square is 2r, so which implies dA equal to 2 pi r into dr. So the area increased. Next one, area increased. Area increased means it is increased from 2 to 2.1. So therefore area of 2.1 minus area of 2, so therefore it is dA. That means area of 2.1, area of 2.1 is, it is there, that means we represented the 2 pi into here dA equal to 2 pi r dr. So it is that means area of 2.1 minus area of 2 equal to dA. It is approximately equal to dA. dA already we calculated, dA equal to 2 pi r into dr. So 2 pi into r value is radius equal to 2 into dr answer. Dr value is 0.1 into 0.1. So in the next step, therefore now we multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 into 0.1, so 0.4 pi. So therefore the area increased approximately 0.4 pi millimeter square. So you see, in a newly developed city, it is estimated that the voting population in thousands will increase. According to V of t, 30 plus 12 t square minus t cube, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 8, where t is time in years. Find the approximate change in voters for the time change from 4 to 4 into 1 by 6 year. You see, a newly developed city, it is estimated that the voting population in thousands will increase. According to this voting populations, that means V of t equal to 30 plus 12 t square minus t cube. T lies between 0 and 8, where t is time in years. Find the approximate change in voters for the time change from 4 to 4 1 by 6 year. So they give the voting populations. V of t equal to 30 plus 12 t square minus t cube, t equal to 4. Next I differentiate with respect to t. So dv by dt equal to 24, that means the 30 is a constant. So differentiation of 12 t square is, that means 12 into differentiation of t square is 2t, so 24t, minus differentiation of t cube is 3t square, so minus 3t square. So dv by dv equal to dt, I just cross multiply in the right hand side, 24t minus 3t square into dt. Therefore del t is approximately equal to dt equal to, that means 24, that means here, that means del t is approximately equal to dt equal to, they gave it it is changes from 4 to 4 into 1 by 6. So therefore dt equal to 4 into 1 by 6 minus 4, so the answer is 1 by 6. dt equal to 1 by 6. Change in b equal to volume of 4 into 1 by 6 minus volume of 4, not volume, voting population of 4 into 1 by 6 into voting population of 4 equal to, which is equal to dv. dv equation is dv equal to 24t minus 3t square into dt. So I substitute 24 into t equal to 4, I substitute minus 3 into 4 square into dt equal to 1 by 6. In the next step 24 into 4 is 96, minus 4 4s are 16, 16 into 3s are minus 48 into 1 by 6. Therefore 96 minus 48 into 1 by 6, the answer is 8000. Therefore change in voters is 8000. This is our answer. So you see the questions here. In a newly developed city, it is estimated that the voting population in thousands will increase according to V of t, that means 30 plus 12t square minus t cube. T lies between 0 and 8. Here they give the voting population. This is the function V of t. So after that they tell the time changed from 4 to 4 into 1 by 6. So from this I calculate the dt. Next voting population V of t equal to, I write it the given functions. From this I differentiate, I calculate the dv by dt. After that dv equal to 24t minus 3t square into dt. So the next step change in b. Change in b means we just calculate the b of 4 into 1 by 6 minus b of 4 equal to dv. So next I substitute the function, that's all. that means the dv equal to 24, t value is 4 minus 3 into 4 square into dt, answer is dt equal to, that means 1 by 6. I substitute here, so the answer is 8000. that means change in water is 8000. We complete the class.